True Retail Merchandisers, TRMs, are advanced self-contained cabinets built for large storage capacity and exceptional product display. TRMs are an environmentally friendly solution using R290 hydrocarbon refrigerant, which meets or exceeds Department of Energy and Energy Star requirements, resulting in lower energy costs. True's dynamic refrigeration response system uses variable capacity compressors that automatically adjust to real-world conditions and maximize efficiency while maintaining temperature. TRMs come standard with black powder-coated rolled steel ends, black aluminum cabinet top and back, and white aluminum interiors. Units are available in a variety of sizes and can be banked together to create a seamless look. Refrigerator units keep temperatures between 32 and 41 degrees, while freezer models range from 10 below 0 to 6 degrees. TRMs provide maximum internal space for product display and storage with fully adjustable cantilever shelves. The interior is illuminated by LED lighting throughout. The full-length doors feature triple-pane thermal insulated glass to maintain temperature and energy efficiency. TRMs are simple to install with True's patented easy leveling system. The self-contained refrigeration systems require no refrigeration technicians and come with plug-and-play electrical wiring. TRMs are a simple, efficient, and self-contained solution for large-format grocery and retail applications. True is committed to using the highest quality materials, engineered with balanced, fully self-contained refrigeration systems that provide colder product temperatures, lower utility costs, exceptional food safety, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. True's Retail Merchandisers.